Good morning everyone. I am Amanpreet.
I am Darsh.
I am Anirudh.
I am Hitesh.
I am Vivek.
Today we are presenting our project Smart Bike Evolution Alcohol Detection System. The aim of this project is to prevent road safety and decrease road accidents.
The main components of this project is gear motor, alcohol sensor, buzzer, Arduino Uno, relay module and bike key ignition system. This project uses an alcohol sensor to check rider's breath. If alcohol is detected, alcohol sensor gives signal to Arduino and Arduino gives signal to relay module and relay module get it off. These projects work like this.
When we spray alcohol on it,
The bike get it off and after 10 seconds the bike runs normally.
and when we spray alcohol,
Bike bike get it off.
These projects show how technology saves lives by avoiding accidents. Thank you.